Hi everyone, in this video we should learn about the MongoDB data types. So first of all I'll create a database. So here click on right click and here you can see create a database. I am creating one database test underscore database. So if you click on create automatically the database will be created. Let me refresh this. Yeah, database has created, you can see. So default temp collection has created here you can see. So we are calling as a collection means in regular rdbms you can consider as a table. Okay, in table level we are calling as a collection in mongodb. So use first of all we have to switch to this database. So test database. So here I am switching to this database. So here you can see switch it to DB. Database has switched successfully. Next, what kind of data types are available in MongoDB? So mostly MongoDB we are calling as a NoSQL because it's a support. I mean, it support for both structured data and unstructured data. Especially we are using for unstructured data use case only. So what kind of different data types it will support? Mostly MongoDB stores data in JSON format. We are calling as a binary JSON format. It's a BSON binary JSON format. So let me explain with a simple example. So here you can see mostly we are using these all are the data types. So first of all, what is data type? Data type means what kind of data we are trying to store in specific field we are calling as a data type. Example here I'm explaining. So let me run this query and you will get some idea. So as of now, how many collections I have created? No collections. So I'll show you here. So switch it to the database. I have not created any kind of the collections. Okay, default we have temp collection. You can see here. Now I am trying to create the collections. So I am creating the employees collection. Collection means in RDBMS table here in NoSQL it's a collection. Remember like that. So here default one collection has created. Let me refresh. Yeah, test database collections. You can see here employees has created collection. So we have not inserted any kind of the data into the employees. I will explain about operations, insert, update, and delete, drop, such kind of operations. I will explain going forward. First of all, here I am trying to explain what kind of data types MongoDB will support. Here, as of now, I have not inserted any kind of data. That is the reason you can see fetched zero records. So now I am trying to insert some data by using insert one command. So let me run this. Here, what I am doing, I am trying to inserting the data based on the field name. So you can see here data inserted successfully. Now if I'm trying to find a collection data, okay, let me expand this. So what I will do, let me remove completely this. Now you can understand very clear. Here you can see it's a string data type. Next, it's a double or integer data type. Next, salary also it's a double or integer. Okay. Next, this is a boolean data type. Next, this is the date data type. And here, if I'm trying to expand, so you can see skills. It's a Python and MongoDB. So two elements. It's a array data type. You can see here. Next, address. You can see city and state. So here you can see hierarchy level, city and state. So it's again it's a object data type, and here also it's an object data type. You can see here. So we can classify simply. Here you can see name. It's a string example and it's a type. You can see here age. It might be the integer or double, and here is active, it's a true or false, it's a boolean data type. Next, join date, it's a date object data type. You can see here. Next, skill, Okay, it's an array, list of values, Python and MongoDB. And address, it's an object data type. So it's a embedded document. So here you can see city, it's a Hyderabad, and state, it's a Telangana. You can see here. So these all are the different data types supported by MongoDB. Especially we are calling as a NoSQL. Okay, yeah, that's all about this video, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe.